Hi, my name is Jason Salas. I'm a graduate student at Boise State in the Department of Educational Technology, and I'm getting my master's degree in that. And I'm also getting a certificate in online teaching. And it's been a great experience. It started about 3 years ago, and I was really drawn in by the great reviews, what people said, how they used what they learned in their own classrooms or in their jobs, and how they were excited about it. And certainly that's been the case with me. I really experienced a great breadth and depth involved as an educational technologist. It kind of took me by surprise. That was my aha that so many different jobs could happen. Just learning about how you could be doing research as an education technologist. You could be teaching. You could be developing games. You can do programming, or just some other activities that you just be a better teacher in general. So, um, really great lessons for me to learn that I can do so much with it because I am interested in doing a lot. It helped me really be able to survive this by the support of my colleagues and the online environment. Those were big factors. The flexibility and the support were great, and the fact that I can keep an archive and use all these documents online really helped me to get through and survive this program. Um, and then I would just say that my future is in technology with education by developing some of these skills further in my teaching in the classroom, so I can develop better lessons, and so I can reach more students. Do coding with them better, make better websites, help them make their own portfolio, for example. Also, I want to venture out into other things. Maybe get some certificates in Microsoft or Google or Cisco, so I can be a network administrator. So, currently director of educational technology. I do a lot of these things as a teacher. I teach algebra and yearbook too, but I would like to be able to extend to other areas, eventually get into the private sector where I can teach adults. But in the meanwhile, while I'm there, I want to use all the lessons that I learned. I'd like to get into online teaching. Really, a lot of great opportunities. And I thank you all for listening, and hope to hear your story too.